Hey everyone, it's Vince here. Welcome back to Pusher Mania. Guys, this is the app that promises real life money just to drop some little virtual coins on a conveyor belt, essentially. Okay? It might not be a conveyor belt, whatever. It gets pushed into the slots catcher. Guys, pretty much this is a scam. Just to give you the biggest spoiler, 1 second into the video, this app is a scam. But let me show you how they scam you, okay? This is a follow-up video because I've already made a video on this a week ago, right? But you guys have asked me to tell you why it's a scam or how it's a scam. First things first, everyone, okay? $777, apparently, if we get 777. You got to think about that. Why or how? Just how? If we have a look here at the actual cash out, where's the cash out value? Match 3 green 777 to claim 777 Amazon gift card. Could you imagine getting a $777 Amazon gift card from an app? Match 500,000 tokens and it equals one $2 USD gift card. Now, do you know how long it's going to take us to get to 500,000, everyone? Get ready for this, okay? I'll show you in this video. 100 coins equals $100 PayPal USD. There's the main scam. But the biggest proof that this is a scam. Win a $10,000 Amazon gift card for getting all the fruit in the app. Now, do you know how easy these apps are to actually hack and cheat? What would stop someone from just literally hacking all the fruit in? I'm telling you right now, everyone, you don't understand how easy these apps are to hack. Like, look, 777, of course it rewards me with the 777. Now I get a jackpot to get me all excited. You ready, everyone? Once it starts. There we go, now it's starting. Yeah, so what this means now, right? This is what all these apps do at the start, right? They reward you with big bonuses, big rewards to make sure you guys get all excited. But I don't know what to say to you, everyone, okay? Because how can I stress this enough that this is a scam? If I can find players' reviews for this, I will put them on the screen at the same time. But what you have to understand that these apps are programmed specifically for you to watch advertisements. So don't you worry. Eventually, I will be getting prompt to watch an ad. These apps start off all well and good, that you have heaps of tokens and you're winning heaps of prizes, but then it slows down dramatically. Now, just remember, in the span of that time of me talking, and all the jackpots and everything we've won so far, I've only collected 374 of these tokens. So, now it's jumped to 1,400. Okay? So, the span of all that, I've only collected that much. We need to get 500,000 tokens, by the way. Just an FYI, everyone, just to keep that in mind. We're only on 1,500. Congratulations, you got 1,500 tokens, $6 in real life money apparently. And I can't cash that out until we get to 100, which we never will get to 100. There's 36 fruit available for us to apparently capture. What's this? Piggy bank. Sure, let's open up the piggy bank. What's it going to give me? $2. No worries. So there's the piggy bank, everyone. Amazon gift card. Again, it keeps prompting me. It really thinks that I'm going to get $10,000 here. Look at this, everyone. It's great. But yeah, these apps need to be stopped, essentially, at this point. Like, it's a joke. All these pusher apps are a joke, everyone. Give me one. I want to see it. I want to see payment proof, okay? I just upgraded the pusher there to make it longer. Oh, look at this, everyone. We won a $300 jackpot of tokens. Awesome. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's all rigged. What you're seeing, it's all just noise. Guys, this is like gambling 101, okay? This is it. This is what makes people excited to gamble, bro. It's a complete scam. And it makes me upset that Google actually allows this still. And I still talk about this on my videos every day. Google needs to put in regulations. Because at the end of the day, who's winning at the end of this? It's Google and the developers, by the way. Just an FYI. So developers make money off the ads that you watch. I know what you're saying. You haven't seen an ad yet. That's because I'm refusing to watch an ad. I'm trying my hardest not to press anything that will give me an ad. The app's good for what it is, and that's literally just pushing coins off the end of this little belt here, guys, or this little, this little area here. But honestly, you're not going to get real life money. So don't come into this thinking you're going to get real life money. See, it keeps on prompting me to watch ads. I'm not going to do it though, because I've ran out of nickels apparently. That's just great. So every 2 seconds it seems you get a nickel, which is okay. That's better than what I think it used to be, if I'm correct. I don't know if it used to be 3 seconds or 2 seconds. Here we go. Now what? Another reward. Look, 20. Dude, I got some more coins here. life's going good for us here on Pusher Mania, everyone. The only problem is it slows down dramatically as we get deeper into the app. Closer we get to that $100 reward, the more slower and slower this will actually get. So 25,000 tokens. We still have to collect 500,000 tokens. It's 5 minutes into the app. I would love to find out. Can someone do the maths for me, please? I say this in every episode. I just love it when you guys add the maths up. So 25,000 tokens, okay? Roughly. 26,000 tokens in a span of 5 minutes and 30 seconds or so. So how long will that take us to get to 500,000 if we're going at this rate? That's if we're going at this rate, by the way. It will start, you stop getting see how it says $500 gold tokens? They will start turning into 25 and $5 tokens, okay? Just get ready for it. It's going to happen sooner or later. Trust me. Now we have to watch an ad to open the piggy bank. We have to, oh no, we can get the slot machine for free here, apparently, without an ad. Another jackpot, bro. I love it. I love it, dude. Because to the untrained eye, people will be like, this is awesome. Like, you're getting so many rewards, bro. But guys, this is all part of the joke. It's all part of the show. They keep on throwing all these nice rewards at you at once. This is all part of the scam, man. 100%. Look at all that money. Yeah, how cool, man. We're going to be rich by the end of today's video, bro. The rate we're going. It's a joke. It's a joke, guys. I love it. Absolutely love it. Pusher Mania, any sort of Mania apps, any sort of Pusher apps, Dozer apps, Coin Dozer apps, they all need to be stopped. Hopefully one day Google will get off their behind and do something about this. Because you will not be winning any money, okay? I'm just telling you right now. It doesn't matter how many jackpots you get. It doesn't matter how much the game throws at you. It's all part of the big scam, alright? I'm actually going to have a look now. Pusher Mania app. I want to make sure there's reviews for this. I cannot wait to show you guys the reviews. There should be, yeah, there is. There's heaps of reviews. Yep, okay, don't worry, man. You're going to have reviews in this video. Guys, you should see reviews popping up throughout this whole video. Legitimately. It's one of the situations, man, where developers have done such a good job at hiding the fact it's a scam, but they're probably not expecting people to grind all the way to the end, you know what I mean? Because it is a big grind. You have to remember that, guys. It is a slog. You will be slogging through these apps to try and get to that reward, which you'll never get to. And even if you get to it, you never get the money. And even if you hear someone's got the money, you have people saying, oh no, this is real, man. Where's the proof? They never supply evidence. They never supply PayPal proof. They never supply anything. Like, I want multiple people, tens of people, 20, like 50 people, 1,000 people. I want to have heaps of people showing me these apps are real. Because I see no evidence ever. It's the same routine of these charlatan apps, bro. Always the same. I'm not going to watch an ad. I refuse to watch an ad. Nope. So I've avoided watching ads, guys. But if you were to grind this properly, you would have to watch ads. I'm telling you now. If you were to try and get closer and closer to that reward of $100 or the $500,000 reward, you have to watch ads. Guys, you need to watch ads for the nickels, and you need to watch ads for the money, obviously, as well. So, you know, because apparently they give you the green tokens, which is, that will stop eventually as well, trust me. Anyway, besides the point, everyone, thank you all so much for watching. I'm done with this app. I've played my 8 minutes. It's over. I'm not playing any more of this, dude. It's junk. My videos are just a little PSA to say, watch out for these apps. They're all scams. You won't get any money. Stay safe out there. I will speak to you all soon. Check out my channel for more scam app, I guess, reveals or exposures. See you later.